Hello. In this session, we're going to talk about frequencies and date shift. Frequencies in pandas consist of the base frequency and the multiplier. Base frequencies are referred by a string such as m for a month or h for hour. For example, the clock frequency can be represented by the hour class. So, first we are importing hour and minute, then we are creating a variable x35 with hour, and then we are creating x36 with hour from 4. The result for x35 will be hour, and the result for x36 will be 4 times hours. Before doing that, let's minimize this a bit, go to Spider, and from pandas.tseries.offsets import hour and minute. Then x35 equal hour, so we are creating an instance of hour, and x36 equal hour of 4. Let's print both of these variables, so print x35 equal x35. Let's print some dashes. Copy and paste these two lines. Put x36 here and here. Execute this so we can see that we're having x35, which will be an hour. x36 will be 4 times hours. Okay? By placing a number before the base frequency, a multiple of the indexes is created. So now we are creating a date range from the 1st of January 2000 up until the 2nd of January 2000, and the hour will be 23 and the minutes will be 59. Now the frequency will be 4 hours. So every 4 hours an element will be created in the variable x37. The result will be, the first element will be 200101, so the 1st of January, and we're having here 000000, which means the hour will be 0, the minutes will be 0, and the seconds will be 0. Now the next element will have a difference of 4 hours, so it will be 200101. However, here we have 400, so the difference between these are 4 hours. The next element will be the same date, so the 1st of January, however, the hour will be 8, and so on and so forth. So let's do it. Before doing this, let's import pandas as PD, import pandas as PD, and x37 equal pd.dateRange. The first element will be the 1st of January 2000. The end element will be January 2, 2000, and 2359, which will be the hour and the minutes. And the frequency will be 4 hour. Now, let's copy and paste these two lines and put x37 instead of x36. Execute this so we can see that the difference between consecutive elements is 4 hours. So the difference between this element and this element is 4. So 4 hour 00. Then the difference between this element and this element is again 4, because 8 minus 4 is 4. Difference between this element and this other element is 4, because 12 minus 8 is 4, and so on and so forth. The same result is in this part here. The table shown below lists frequency and type shift. So we have a table. D is alias, the type shift is day, and the description is a daily calendar. In most of our previous sessions, we have covered D. B stands for business day. and here we have business day. H stands for hour, or for every hour. T or min will stand for every minute. S will be for every second. L or ms will be for millisecond. M will be month and the last calendar day of the month. BM is for business month end, or the last business day of the month. We have covered this once. MS, the first calendar day of the month. BMS, business month begin, the first business day of the month. W month, W Tuesday, and so on and so forth. So we have covered this before, and this stands for every weekday. So every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, up until every Sunday. The list is much bigger, however, only part of them is displayed here. That's it regarding frequencies and date shift. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next sessions.